Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna do a taste test on the Solelio and the Giornio pods. I don't know if I'm saying those right, but those two pods, I hauled them in one of my Nespresso hauls, and a few of you guys wanted me to taste test them, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get started. All right, so here they are. This is Giornio, and I wanted to read a little bit about the description because I remember reading it in the packaging and I was very intrigued by their description. I'm gonna talk about Giornio first. We're gonna brew this one, taste test it, and then I'll let you guys know my thoughts. But on the website, this is a coffee pot size. Floral, velvety, flowery, citric. It's supposed to be like a medium roasted morning blend. It says that with milk, the acidity from the Arabica brings a sweetness to the coffee. So that sounds yummy. I'm gonna brew it and then we're gonna taste test it. I'm gonna taste test it also like before adding milk or any types of syrups, just because I know a lot of you guys want to know what it tastes like without that, and I respect that. I personally don't like black milk or black coffee, but I will taste it without milk or syrups and then let you guys know if I at least can taste what the website says it should taste like. Let's brew it. Cups that I'm using, these are like the perfect cup that you can use for your coffee size pods, so I'm gonna link them down below. But if you guys are interested in like all these cups that I have in the background, I actually have a cups video about like all the cups that I use depending on the pot size, all of that. So I'll link that video. I'm gonna link this one and then another one that you'll see me use for the, I forget the names, for the Solelio. So I'll use a different cup just so you guys can see it in action. I'm gonna taste test it right now without milk. See what it tastes like. I can smell the floweriness. I don't know if I'm a fan of flowery coffees, so. Oh, that's hot. It's very flowery. The taste is not my favorite. Okay, let me just taste it again. It's very flowery. I actually don't think I've tasted a coffee pod that's this flowery. I could see why adding milk, according to the description, would add like the smoothness, because right now there's no smoothness whatsoever. It's literally just floral and like a little bit of bitterness, and I think that's where what they mean about the citric notes or whatever. But let me put my milk in there. All right, so I'm gonna put, this is almond milk. I've actually been really enjoying oat milk for some reason. I might have tried one in like a long time ago and I just didn't like it, but right now I'm trying the Silk oat milk, the purple carton. It is so good, but I ran out, so I'm fully stocked on my almond milk, so we're gonna just test it with almond milk. That was the little foam that it creates. Just jumping out at me at the end. I'm gonna try that without a syrup and just see if I like it better with milk, which I think I will. Milk just makes coffee taste a lot better. Yeah, milk gives it like a lot more smoother. I forgot how let me check in 1 second. It says with milk, the acidity brings a smooth sweetness to the coffee. I think it tastes a lot better with milk. Although it's almost a little weak. I mean, it is a level 4, but I don't know if it's the floral that's throwing me off. I'm gonna try it with some syrup. Do the good old caramel. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's my favorite. I could definitely taste the floral, the floraliness of it. All right, I'll give it a B-. All right, so next I'm gonna taste test the Solelio, and this one is also a coffee pod or coffee size pod. It's actually out of stock on their website, which might suggest that it's a really good one. An intensity level 2, so it's less intense than the Giornio. This one is supposed to be toasted cereal notes, enriched by delicate red fruit aromas, Colombian Arabicas, Kenyan Arabicas, lightly roasted morning blend. So this one's also like a breakfast blend. With milk, the fruity notes shade to unfold an astonishing creamy caramel indulgence. This is the one that actually caught my attention because they say that with milk, it becomes like that caramelly goodness. I don't know how they like determine that, but creamy caramel indulgence with milk. So let's try it out. Alright, so this is how the other, actually this is how the other cup looks. So they're the same size. They both fit 16 ounces, except, you know, this one's a little more rounded. This one's a little bit more boxy, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Alright, let me taste test it. I keep forgetting these things are hot. This one is good. Like, even without milk. I like this one. I like this one a lot. I think the other one was just like way too floral, which is weird, like to taste like floral and all those notes that they're describing. I noticed that my taste in coffee pods are the ones that say like malt, cereal, woodsy even I can take. I feel like those do a lot better with milk. So I'm really excited to see what this tastes like with milk. Okay, I got my almond milk. I'm just gonna pour it in. Whoa, just licking it off the spoon, you could actually taste the caramel. What? Yes, I can actually like tell what they're talking about. That is so weird. Yeah, guys, this is a winner. I don't even feel like I have to add syrup, but I'm gonna add syrup. Just because that's what we did with the other one. This is really good. This is really, really good. Like, it's not strong. It's a level 2, but you could taste the coffee. You could taste, it tastes, I don't know how to I don't know how to explain it. It tastes good. If you guys are new to coffee or don't like coffee taste, maybe try this one or even the other one, because the coffee taste is not that strong. I mean, this one's a level 2, the other one's a level 4. So if you guys are trying to at least kind of like coffee, but not really like the taste of coffee that much, I think this is maybe a beginner's pod, in my opinion. It's not too in your face, if that makes sense. It really does taste like caramel for some reason. It's really smooth, creamy. Their description is spot on with this one, and their description is spot on with that one too. I just didn't like it. So I'll pass on the Giornio. I think this is Giornio, but the yellow one is a winner. Solelio, I think is what it is. I'll probably repurchase this one if I ever need more coffee pods, because this one is actually really good. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything that you guys would ask me. Something that I have noticed is that if you guys want these as iced coffees, I would definitely either get like that mechanism that I just reviewed, or brew your coffee and let it get cold and then add ice, because these coffee pods, I feel like if you brew them over iced, like first off, I don't think they taste as good. Usually my coffee size pods, I never do over ice. I usually do like a single espresso or a double espresso pod, but these I don't think they'll do good over ice. I don't like them over ice. But for hot coffee in the morning, which is usually what I like to do in the morning, is hot coffee, and then like in the afternoon iced coffee. But today it's snowing, I'm cold, so I'm gonna do hot coffee. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents on like the ice versus hot on the coffee size pods. So yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review of Solelio and Giornio. Like I said, I think this is Solelio, and that's the winner in my opinion. If you guys have tried these pods, let me know what you guys think. Is it like spot on? Did you think that one was really floral and this one is really good? Or did you prefer the other one? I mean, it just depends on your palate, your taste buds, I guess. But this one This one is so good. And again, if you guys are interested in these cups, I'll put them in my description box, and I'll also link that cups video. A lot of you guys have actually purchased this one or the other sets and actually like them. So thank you for the feedback, and I'm glad you guys were able to get them. I know the other ones were sold out for a little bit, but I think they're back. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.